started over 25 years ago. We operated 2 sites over the years combined. Now 2 years ago we moved into this purpose-built facility. It's a 2,000 square metre. We started out as just making harmonic balances for cars many years ago, and there was a need. We saw the need. That's where they started, and then from there they realised you need to diversify, get into fabrication. From there, cutting your own materials and so forth, and then it just branched out and grew from there. Before we bought the machine, we were running high definition plasmas, so we were running 2 of them, 2 high definition plasmas, and also subcontracting a vast amount of lace cutting outside. One of the biggest things that we found is the integrated software between the press brake and the laser. So we're having to produce our own flat patterns and then fold them. If they weren't right, it's money out of our pocket, which in turn, it does make the product more expensive. Now with the integrated software, it forms the correct flat pattern for our exact LVD tooling, and the parts come out right first time. The biggest thing we found is we're not having to recut parts. When you're using SolidWorks, it may flatten the part out, but we're quite often dealing with very strict tolerances, especially for the automotive industry. So if it's not 100% correct, the parts are scrapped. You modify the files, you recut, you refold. Now with the integrated software we've got, it knows exactly what it's got to be. It allows the right material for all your bending data, and the parts are coming out first time. The benefit to us is in the recutting side is the production through the workshop. We're gaining percentages through there, just getting work out the door rather than backlogging the system. Coming straight off the laser, for example, now, whereas on our plasma you generally have to clean the parts up, so the parts just can't go straight to client. Now they get just cut, they can give e-boxed, sent straight to client, straight away basically. One of the biggest things that we were looking for was a local technical support. Having dealt with interstate support before, it's not ideal for us. Although now I've found out that I can sit beside the guys from GWB. They use my physical computer to log into someone in Perth to help them out. So they seem to have all their bases around Australia really covered. One of the features we really love on the press brake is the EasyForm laser. It allows real-time measuring. It sends bending data back to the processor, and it stops the machine overfolding if it's programmed wrong, for example. So in the past, if the operator was to overfold the part, you'd have to take it out, fold it back to where you came from, put it back in the machine, and then try and get it correct. The word is try. Having the new LVD products, previously laser in particular, we were having to subcontract that out. Many customers now are saying it must be laser cut, must be laser cut, must be laser cut. We would have to literally hop in line, get the best delivery you can off your supplier, and then go to the customer and say, I'm sorry, I can't do it any quicker. These are my constraints. Now having your own tools, you can cut overnight if you want. You cut the same day. We've had to cut the same day. Customers come, I need it this afternoon. We're doing a night shift tonight. We need to put these parts in. It's keeping the customer happy. You get a phone call from their bosses saying, I really appreciate it. We've kept the line going overnight, and makes everyone happy. It just works.